We're going to dive into the world of home appliances and review the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft Portable Washing Machine. If you've been considering investing in a personal washing machine, this video is for you. We've provided a comprehensive breakdown of the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft Portable Washing Machine, highlighting its key features and offering valuable insights to assist you in making an informed decision. Furthermore, we have included important factors to consider when selecting the perfect washing machine for your needs. For a more in-depth analysis and a convenient comparison tool, visit our website at thedetailedguide.com. Rest assured, we have included links to all the mentioned products in the video description for your convenience. First off, let's talk about the key features of this machine. The COMFEE Portable Washing Machine is designed to be user-friendly. It comes with 6 commonly used programs: normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin-only. So whether you're washing your everyday clothes or need to handle bulkier items like blankets, this machine has got you covered. It also offers 3 water temperatures to meet your different laundry needs. And if you're someone who likes to keep an eye on your laundry, you'll appreciate the clear lid that allows you to monitor the status of your clothes at any time. Now, let's talk about space. This machine is compact, with dimensions of only 20.7 inches in width, 20.3 inches in depth, and 36.6 inches in height. Despite its small size, it has a large capacity of 1.6 cubic feet and can hold up to 11 Lbs of cloth. It's perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, or even your RV. One of the standout features of this machine is its energy efficiency. It's equipped with a high-quality, durable motor that provides stable power. According to the manufacturer, it can save up to 84% in energy consumption compared to similar models. That's a big plus for your wallet and the environment. For those with little ones at home, the COMFEE Portable Washing Machine comes with a child lock feature. This allows you to freeze the control panel to prevent any accidental changes to the settings. Simply press and hold the temp and program button together for 3 seconds, and you're good to go. Another great feature is the delay start function. You can throw your laundry in, set a time when you want it to start, and avoid the headache of having to wash them all over again because of the smell. And if you've forgotten a sock or a shirt, no worries. You can add your laundry before the main washing cycle finishes by long pressing the Start, Pause button for 3 seconds. Now, let's move on to some additional features. The COMFEE Portable Washing Machine is easy to install. It comes with a quick adapter for the fill hose and a secure connection for the drain hose. Plus, it's plug and play, so you can start washing right away. The machine also has a user-friendly interface with one-touch controls and an LED display. And if you need to move it around, it's got built-in rollers for easy movement. In conclusion, the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft Portable Washing Machine is a compact, user-friendly, and energy-efficient solution for your laundry needs. It's packed with features that make laundry less of a chore and more of a breeze. So, if you're in the market for a portable washing machine, this one is definitely worth considering.